What's up, YouTube? Cam's874 here. I'm breaking a hobby box of Panini Americana, 4 hits per box, at least 2 autographs. Sometimes some boxes have 3. Um, so go ahead and open up this first box and see what we get. I got a few boxes I'm going to open. Kelly, do not. All right. In the first pack, it's a freeze frame, Jill Wagner. Okay, in the second pack, Cody Simpson, triple patch, number to 299. Don't know that anybody still cares about Cody Simpson. It's a pretty cool card, though. All right, and I think this might be a box with 3 autographs, so that's good, possibly. All right, next pack. Looks like just a die cut insert. Okay. Looks like a die cut and a Paula Abdul insert. Okay. Oh, nice. Kevin Hart autograph. Number to 99. Sweet. Kevin Hart autograph. Okay. Should be 2 more autographs still to go. Inserts and base. I don't think we could possibly top the Kevin Hart autograph. Inserts and base. 3 packs left. 2 of them should be autographs. DJ Cool. Ooh, DJ Cool autograph number to 25. Sweet. DJ Cool. 2 pretty good autographs. I would say this third one's not going to be so good. We'll see. Inserts and base. All right, this should be an autograph. It is. Oh, it's a memorabilia. Silver screen. Looks like a double patch number /49 of Robert Meacham. So that was a pretty good box. We got the Robert Meacham number /49. DJ Cool autograph number /25. Kevin Hart big screen signatures number /99. And then this freeze frame, which I don't really even count as a hit. And then this awesome Cody Simpson triple patch, just crazy in that second. Crazy amounts of breaks and color in that second patch. Numbered is $2.99. All right, that's box one. Got 5 more boxes to go. I don't think we can beat that with a Kevin Hart and a DJ Cool number /25, but on to box number 2.